normally during this time of the year, talagang malaki yung demand natin for key agricultural commodities. Either as a key ingredient, halimbawa
Mm.
sa hamon, yung ating pork, yung ating mga itlog which are being used for leche flan, cakes, and breads. So talagang lumalaki ang demand. Yung egg natin, there are two major instances every year na malaki ang demand. Pagpasukan,
Mhm.
baon at saka almusalin ng
Okay.
ating mga kabataan. And ito nga, pag holiday season, talagang lumalaki ang demand. So these are expected occurrences every year na malaki talaga ang demand. So yung bigas natin, malaki yung ating production this year. Yung ating pork, bagamat kulang yung production natin, we're expecting about 320,000 metric tons production. Yung import or program, o yung importations natin were program ahead months before dumating
Mm.
itong fourth quarter, yung mas malaki ang demand. Yung chicken natin ay we have production over local production na malaki, so wala tayong problema. Ganun din naman sa egg.
Okay.
So in terms of productivity, inaasahan natin na mayroong mga increases sa presyo pero hindi ganun kalaki naman because of the
Okay.
stability of supply.